Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Let's start the new chapter, chapter number 5, that is a word processor mail merge, part 1, video 11. Please take out your computer book and open the page number 48. In chapter number 5, we will cover these topics. The first is mail merge, second, advantages of mail merge, second, next, uses of mail merge, then creating mail merge, then printing a mail merge document. So now question is that what do you mean by mail merge? Mail merge means if you want to send the same document such as an announcement or greeting card to the many people, in that case we have to use the mail merge. So we can use the mail merge feature to produce a personalized letter for each person on your mailing list. Performing a mail merge is useful if we want to send the same document such as announcement or greeting card to many people. So in that case, mail merge is the process of combining and merging the main document with the data source. Data source means like you have to add the address of all the persons, that is a data source, and you have to combine or merging your mail with data source, and the data source contain the name and address of each recipient to whom you want to send the document. Now here are some setting up a mail merge involves a number of steps. Number one is set a document type. That means it's a letter or email. Second, associate a data source with the document. Associate a data source with the document. That is a Outlook contact and some other source. Then design your data document by combining ordinary document features with word merge field. Then preview the finished document by testing to see how it looks with different data records. Fifth, finish the process by merging the data document with the data source. That means merge your email or letter with all the person of address. Data source means data source contain all the name and addresses of each recipient. So you have to merge in this process, and the final document is called merge document, which can be saved, printed or emailed. Now some advantages of mail merge are, suppose if we want to send a circular to 100 different students for an event in the school. With the mail merge features, we can write one circle and the student's name and address will be different in each circle. The word merge each student formula information with the circular type that we created. This process is very simple and much faster than the manual alternative. So this is the main advantage of mail merge. And this is an example. Now benefits of mail merge are given below. Easy to make a change to a single letter, and for that change to happen in every letter. For example, change the date. You have to change the date in one letter. After that, the changes will apply to all other letters. Once the image has been set up, hundreds of letters can be produced very quickly. Much easier to proofread just one letter rather than 100 of individual letters. You can save the main document and reuse it in the future. These all are the benefits of mail merge. Now next is uses of mail merge. A set of form, letter, email messages or faxes. The basic content is the same in all the letter, message or faxes, but each contained information that is specific to the individual recipient, such as name, address or some other pieces of personal data. Second, a set of labels and envelopes. The return address is the same on all the labels or envelopes, but the destination address is unique in each one. So in short, we can say that mail merge is useful when we want to send the same document such as a announcement or greeting card to many people. So in that case, only first you have to type the letter. After that, make a data source. In the data source, we can add the name and address of each recipient. After that, merge your letter with the data source. And at the last, in the final document, we call it as a merge document, in which data source and your letter both are merged. Now the steps are, the first steps, open the Word document that you want to use as a letter. So click on Start button, then click on Microsoft Office Word. Now window appear. After that, the information of the letter should not change from letter to letter. Then click on Mailing option. After that, click on Start Mail Merge, this one. Then click on Letters. Nothing happened on screen, but the word set up for the mail merge. After that, click on Select Recipient. Click on Type New List, in which you have to type the name. Like for example, I write down there Mr. After that, I write down there Verma. The last name Sharma. Then company name, you can type the any company name like BPA. Then address line, suppose I write down there Pathankot. After that, this is the first address and name of the person. After that, click on New Entry and you will write down the address name of the second person. Let us suppose next is Mrs. Sharma. Surname also Sharma. Then company name, suppose House. Then Mohali. If you want to add the more person, you have to click on New Entry button. After that, you can add the new person. But here I want to add only the 2 person. After that, click on OK. Now here you can save it. Like I want to save it in the document. Enter your file name. Suppose I write down the file name here, address. Then click on Save. Yes. After that you have to type the letter in this way, whatever you want to type. After that, click on Edit Recipient List. Then when dialog box appear, this area, all the people on your mailing list. To sort the list, click on the heading of the column you want to use, and a check mark beside a person name indicate that the Word will create a personalized letter for the person. To add or remove a check mark, click the box beside the person's name. Like if I don't want to add this person, then click on it. It's not added, but now I want to add it, then click on it. Now the check appear. After that, to set each and everything, click on OK. Then click on address block. From here you can set the any format. Suppose I want to choose this format. According to that, it will be changed. You can see the changes here. You can see the changes here. If I select this one, then changes this. this, you can select any format for the address for each and every one. After that, for the selecting, click on OK. Now this is the address block appear. Now after that, click on greeting line and select any format that you want to choose, and after that click on OK. The merge field representing the greeting line appear in the letter. After completing the merge, Word will replace the merge field with the greeting information. Click on preview result. This is the option of preview result. Click on it. Now you can see the changes. This is the first letter. After that, you have to click on this button or click on it. This is the first letter because I had only add the 2%. So first this one and second this one. After that, click on finish and merge. Click on edit individual document. Then click on OK. Now you can see the document. This is the first person, that is Ankur Verma. After that, this is the second person, that is Veta Sharma. This is the second page and this is the first page. You can scroll down and see all the pages, first page and second page, because we add only the 2 recipients. So these are the simple steps for the mail merge in MS Word. Now the next topic is printing a mail merge document. For printing a mail merge document, open a merge document you want to take printout. Click on a file tab. So this is a 2007, so there is no file button, so only the office button. Click on it, and after that you have to click on print preview. This is the print button and there is a forward arrow. This is the print option, print button, and this is the forward arrow. Click on it, and this is the print preview. Click on it. This is the print preview. This is the first page, and you can scroll down. This is the second page, and this is the first page, Ankur Verma. After that, close the print preview and directly you will give the print command from here and click on print. So these are the simple 29 steps to creating mail merge in MS Word in word processor. Word processor means in MS Word Office. So rest of the part of this chapter, like a question answer and book exercise, I will upload in WhatsApp group. So student, you have to do the practice of this chapter and read this chapter also. Thank you.